Kelly O'Grady joins me now from New York. Kelly, we're going to have fun here for a second because in those remarks from the Treasury Secretary to investors behind closed doors, Scott Bessent also said we are involved in a trade embargo with China. Here's the fun part. This is how we opened this show April 11th on that topic. Tonight on America Decides, that means you and I, can stop talking about tariffs in China. It's an embargo. It's a trade embargo. Why? Well, because China today increased its tariff rate against the United States to 125%. The current U.S. rate on Chinese goods, 145%. At that rate, effectively, we're not talking about tariffs. We're talking about a trade embargo. Well, one of the goals of this show is to try to cut through things and get to the essence of it. We're not always going to be perfect, but we tried that day. And I think we got pretty close to it because now the Treasury Secretary, though behind closed doors, agrees. This is an embargo. The bigger thing, Kelly, which you're going to help us get to the essence of, what signals was that trying to send not only to the markets, but to the broader global economy?
Well, it sounds like Treasury Secretary Bessent is watching your show, Major. He took the words right out of your mouth. He didn't credit you. Look, I think that the sentiment that they're trying to convey is that deals are coming. And, of course, we saw the markets react very positively. They were already up to start the day, but we did regain everything in the Dow that we lost yesterday. But after I heard those comments or saw those comments from Bessent, I went and I spoke to a number of investors. And I said, well, what do you think? And by and large, I heard, OK, this is great. There's some optimism, but there was also skepticism because the negotiations, as Bessent himself admitted, have not started. And so you see sort of this momentary bump, but there's a lot more rocky waves ahead, if you will, because until you get that concrete deal that these two sides are meeting, as Nancy was saying, there's likely going to be a lot of skepticism from investors. Also today, the news we talked about as we opened the show, the IMF cutting this year's growth forecast here in America. Yeah, it's unsurprising. So it was sort of a full percentage point lower than what we saw them predict for U.S. growth in January. But I will note, they said no recession, though they did up the probability to 37%. What I felt was really interesting, though, is they had this line in there about how the central bank and the government needs to be separate. That independence is critical for credibility. And of course, as you well know, that question about independence and credibility has been roiling the markets the past few days. Kelly O'Grady, it was a pleasure, and I promise you that's the last time I'm going to torment you with watching a soundbite of me. I promise.